I wanted to address a question that's come up a couple of times. We're getting ready for this big remember it's free, 5-day de-stress your mess clutter challenge. And some people have said, so what's the difference between you and Marie Kondo, right? I mean, the 800-pound gorilla, the 800-pound tiny Japanese gorilla in the room. What's the deal, Andrew? Why don't I just do the KonMari technique, and why don't I just do what she tells me to do? And here's one of the major differences between her and I. And look, there's many paths to the mountain, the top of the mountain. You don't have to do mine. You don't have to do hers. Uh, One of the major differences between us is that the focus for me is not on the stuff. I will help you get organized and simplify your life and get all of the clutter and the obstacles out of the way between you and where you want to be. And while I will suggest to you deep respect for the objects that surround you, on some level, I don't really give a crap about the objects. And I don't want you to care about the objects either, right? So I don't want you fetishizing the objects, even if you only have 30 of them. I don't necessarily want you putting your socks to bed at night in their drawer and blessing them. They're socks, and there's probably more important things to be blessing it, particularly at this moment in time, like maybe your kids or your partner or your colleagues or your parents or your pet, right, or yourself. So I focus really on your life and your values and what you want to be spending your time with on the other side of interacting with objects. The objects are not the point. They serve a function, even if they're gorgeous, delicious, yummy objects that you've surrounded yourself with. They're ultimately still just inanimate objects, and they are not going to reciprocate your affection. So the quicker you can figure out what you're going to do with them, where you want to keep them, and how you're going to interact with them, and then get on with the rest of your life, that is the focus of me and my work. So I hope you'll join us for this free 5-day de-stress your mess challenge. I mean, I'm super stoked to be with everybody on those calls next, starting on April the 13th. We're just going to have a ton of fun. We're going to have a sense of being together during this time of crazy isolation, and you're going to get your shit together. So, I mean, it's a win-win-win experience, and it costs you literally nothing. So other than your time, which you have some right now. So no more excuses. Come play with us, and that's all I want to say. I hope to see you there.